Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to either allow or prevent the saving of remote desktop credentials on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to go to search menu and type edit group policy. Click on open it. Just full screen on it. And under the computer configuration, you just need to expand the administrative templates and now expand the Windows components. Now you just need to search for remote desktop service. You just need to expand it, and in here you just need to click on remote desktop connection client. On right side, do not allow passwords to be saved. Double click on it. Just select enabled if you do not want password to be saved. Just select disable if you want to allow passwords to be saved. Select apply and OK for save changes take effect. Now you just need to close it up here and go ahead and restart the PC guys. And I will also show you an alternative method if you are using VPN. So if you are connected to through a VPN, I show you guys a different setting you have to modify. Go to search menu and type edit group policy. Click on open it. In here under the computer configuration, you just need to expand the administrative templates folder and now expand the system. And now you just need to click on the credentials delegation. On right side, allow delegation default credential with NTLM only server authentication. You just need to double click on it. Select disable if you do not want to save the passwords. Select apply and OK for save changes. And you just need to double click on the allow delegation default credentials. Double click on it and select disabled and select apply and OK. The same thing for allow delegation saved credentials. You just need to double click on it and select disabled and select apply and OK for save changes. And the same thing for allow delegation saved credentials with NTLM only server authentication. Double click on it and select disabled and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, the changes will take effect guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.